Hi, this is a quick video on how to set up the Post for Rent app. So after you've downloaded the application, simply open the app and the first screen you'll see will be the home screen. So this is the news feed where you'll see all of our latest blog posts so you can stay up to date. Now to configure your account, go to the bottom right of the screen and click on the profile icon and then head up to the top and click the configuration button. In this area you'll be able to first of all check your profile settings. So you'll be able to add a picture, you'll be able to name your account. You'll be able to choose the country and city location. You'll be able to add your date of birth. You'll be able to choose up to 3 categories to best describe your account. And you can write a short about you section. Coming out of that is your password. So if you want to change the password that you entered when you initially set up the app, you can write a new one there and repeat it again and click save. Below that is your payment settings. So here you can choose one of the 2 methods, so either fast or slow. If you would like the fast, that's adding a bank account. So simply add a bank account in the bank account section by choosing the country and then choosing a currency from the drop down menu that you would like to receive your payment in. And after choosing the country, you will then have the account number field appear. So you just have to put your bank account number in there and hit save. If you would like to connect a PayPal account, you can do so below that. And then you would just need to choose your default payment type. So whether you want to get paid with PayPal or with the bank account normally. Below that is your suggested fees. So once you've chosen your currency, you can then choose a fee for your Facebook post and your Facebook story, your Instagram post and your Instagram story fees. So they're the 2 accounts I have currently connected to the app, so that's why you see those 2 accounts there. Obviously if you add more, then they will appear there. Coming out of the payment settings is the notifications. So this is just where you choose what notifications you would like to receive from the app on your mobile or via email. Below that you can see the connected social media accounts. So as you can see, I have my Instagram account and my Facebook account set up. And below those you can connect your Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Tumoji and Snapchat simply by connecting connect next to the icon of the platform that you would like to connect to and logging in. So coming out of the settings, you will then see our help and support section. So in there you can see any number of tutorial videos, frequently asked questions and help, terms and conditions, privacy policy, and our live chat support, which will link you to one of our support team if you need to know anything. You can also below that search for answers on our knowledge base.